Hello and welcome to NutriVibe. Did you know that one of the most powerful spices in your kitchen is black pepper? Black pepper contains a natural compound called piperine, which helps your body absorb certain nutrients more effectively. For example, when combined with turmeric, it can significantly increase the absorption of curcumin. Black pepper is also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage. Some studies suggest it may support healthy digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes, and it may have mild anti-inflammatory properties. However, black pepper is not a miracle cure. Eating too much may irritate the stomach, especially if you have acid reflux or digestive problems. The best way to enjoy black pepper is as part of a balanced, healthy diet. Tiny spice, big potential health benefits. Follow for more science-backed nutrition tips. If you enjoy our content, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health videos.